Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you wrap text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, to wrap text in Adobe Premiere Pro, at first let's just copy some text. The video is about sheep, so I'm going to copy this text. So after copying the text, let's just paste in here Adobe Premiere Pro. Now just select the text and just long press like this. Just make it bigger. Where will be the text will situated. Now just paste what you copied like this. Now you can just make whatever you like. You can just click on this text and you can just make the text however you like. Any kind you like. You can change the font like this. Any kind of font you want. You can change the color from fill. So guys, that's how you can wrap text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.